Broadcast Jamaican now give the news in the Jamaican language.
Wagwan people, this is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in a Jamaican. First, me give the headline them. The World Health Organization WHO said the world not afraid about the Omicron variant, but they must prepare for fight against it. Some police from the Specialized Operation Branch and some soldier find one AK-47 assault rifle and one 9mm pistol in a Clayton Close in a Spanish town. Police lock up one American citizen after them find coke panner at the Sangsters International Airport Saturday. The Sunshine Girls win the last match out of them 3 test series against the England Roses. Make sure you follow our YouTube page Broadcast Jamaican for hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the full tour of them. The World Health Organization WHO said the world not afraid about the Omicron variant, but they must prepare for fight against it. According to Mike Ryan, who run the WHO emergency program the WHO put in some things we can fight against the variant. Ryan said the Omicron variant has showed the world said the pandemic not done with it yet, but people must trust the science, take them vaccine, keep them distance and try stop the virus from spread. On top of that, Ryan said every country need to be extra careful over the next couple of weeks cause the WHO are watch the new variant. Omicron, they in a 40 country now. Some police from the Specialized Operation Branch and some soldier find one AK-47 assault rifle, one 9mm pistol and 25 bullets in a Clayton Close in a Spanish town Saturday. According to the police report, around 5:15 in the morning, them did depend operation and look for one wanted man. Them find the man in a one car with one pistol and 18 bullets. Them search the yard and find the rifle wrapped up in a one towel under one metal container and 7 more bullets. The man get locked up, but the police don't put out him name yet cause them are looking at some more things. Police lock up one American citizen after them find coke panner at the Sangsters International Airport Saturday. According to the police report, the woman did go take one plane go Charlotte in America when the Jux police search her suitcase and find the coke hidden in it. Them lock her up after that. The coke weigh 4.25 pounds and it cost US $96,500 out of road. The police not put out her name yet because they want to ask her some question first in front of her lawyer. One 51-year-old man born up and dead after him car crashing in one tree when him did do car racing in a Lacovia St. Elizabeth Friday night. The dead man are Anthony Diaz. 2 other somebody who did in the car, they in a hospital now. According to the police report, Diaz did drive one Nissan Sunny car at the street racing on Anthony Main Road around 11:30 p.m. The car get off from him and crashed in a ackee tree. People who did there managed to take out the other 2 people out of the car, but Diaz is still in there when it blew up. One 77-year-old woman gets stabbed and dead in a one fight in a Kemps Hill, Clarendon. The dead woman is Dorothy Thompson. Miss Thompson did try part one fight between her 2 grandsons, little after 5, when one of them stabbed her. One of her grandson run away and the other still in a hospital because him did get stabbed up too. One other family member said the killing never did have go on if the 2 cousins did listen to them granny and top fight. Now for sports. The Sunshine Girl win the last match out of them 3 test series against the England Roses. Them beat England 63-53 yesterday. England did take the lead after them win the first 2 matches. The 2 sides did use the series as a warm-up for the Commonwealth Games we keep next year. People, remember the curfew from 9 p.m. in the night to 5 in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in a Jamaican.
Broadcast Jamaican just give the news in the Jamaican language.